Hello and welcome as we learn how to install Kali Linux using pre-built images. I'm going to use VirtualBox in this tutorial. You can also use VMware and the process will be the same. So install your VirtualBox as I have here, and let's go to our browser. Let's type get Kali. As we have, click on this link, go on to virtual machines, click on recommended. If you're using VMware, you can click on the download button here, or if you're using VirtualBox as I'm doing, you can click on the download button here. I have mine downloaded already, and so I'll go on to the next step. The next step is to click on add. Select the location where you downloaded your virtual machine. This is mine. Click on this file, then open. Great. So we have it opened. Let's start our virtual machine. We click by starting. Wait for the VM to power on as it's doing now. Okay, type the username and password, which is Kali. Now we have our virtual machine installed and ready to be used. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial. Make sure you like, share, and comment as we all learn with Hack with Elvis. Thank you. See you.